Hello sewers, welcome to the newest episode of Sewing with Florence tutorials.
No one knows better than Florence. Bump.
I do apologize for the delay.
It's been 84 years.
It's a crazy time in the world right now. So I've been slightly preoccupied with a few other things.
Krusty Krab is unfair! Mr. Krabs is in there, standing at the concession, plotting his oppression.
But I am sitting down and I'm making you all this video so we can continue to learn how to sew.
Thread by thread, stitching it together.
Also, if you are wanting to sew more or really just get some good sewing practice, now would be a great time to make masks. You can look at my mask tutorial. Make masks, save lives, punch Nazis. Really easy breezy, especially if you've been watching my videos. You should be able to whip those masks out pretty fast. We have a lot of people out on the streets protesting, a lot of people going to vigils, a lot of people doing really good work right on the ground floor. But those people also need to be safe. So if you want to help using what you're learning from me, make masks, get them out there. There's plenty of people you can donate them to. So on today's episode, we actually will not be doing any sewing with the machine. We will be patterning. We're going to fit our mock-up on, in my case, my dress form. Your case, it could be on you or someone you know. If you are making it for yourself, you're going to want to find someone to do this fitting on you, because much like measuring, doing your own fitting is pretty difficult. So if you have a dress form that's your size that you could use, or someone you know that's your size, and safely with a mask on, do a fitting. But we are going to fit our dress, and we are going to make an official final sloper pattern out of that dress with our pattern paper. Because they're like 1/8 of a difference. I'm gonna go with 2 inches. This is 1 3/4 inches. This is a 1/4 difference. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that 1/4 out and you're gonna make this. This is where, if you're good at math, it's good. But those are all of your basic pieces now. They're all labeled. You've got all your notches. And now you're going to hang this up and keep it safe for when we make our real dress. All right, everybody, that's it for this lesson. We have our sloper fit to you. We've got our base pattern, and now the fun begins. Thank you guys for viewing. I know this is a crazy, scary time right now, and I hope that you can take your mind off of it for a little during the day, working on some sewing stuff, working on your pioneer skills, and your friends, if they want to learn how to sew, have your friends subscribe. Peace out, be safe, see you soon.